Hey, welcome back. On today's episode, we're going to be working on a fly. Alright, let's fly right on in.
Shit up. Give me some directions to get to you. To get to you, ain't gonna waste my time. I know that we got connection, I think about you. You're on my mind, on my mind, on my mind. Yeah, I'm going out of my mind, out of my mind, out of my mind, yeah. For you, my love, you drive me crazy, tell me what to do, what to do. I'm on my knees, yeah, I am begging you, begging you. I'll break the rules if it will get me to you. Give me some directions to get to you, to get to you. Ain't gonna waste my time. I know that we got connection, I think about you. For you, my love, you drive me crazy, tell me what to do, what to do. I'm on my knees, yeah, I am begging you, begging you. I'll break the rules if it will get me to you. Time no more, 'cause I can't get you out of my mind. I can't live without your love for sure. You drive me crazy, tell me what to do, what to do. I'm on my knees, yeah, I am begging you, begging you. I'll break the rules if it will get me to you. I'm going out.
Alright, we reached the end. I just wanted to fly in on a fly, trying to make it sound more flyer than it actually is. I grew up on a horse farm. There were cattle there too, and there were a lot of flies around, and they were friendly, little friendly, harmless flies. I mean, yeah, they were annoying as heck, especially if you're trying to like cook or have like a little picnic with the family outside or with friends or whatever, you know, cooking at rivers and creeks. You know, there's so many different types of flies. Now, I'm no entomologist, so don't quote me on any of this, but some flies, they like to bite you. I don't know if they bite you or they sting you, but them sun guns are like really small. And I think if you look at them close, there's like some type of little tiny red mark or something. Maybe something evil about them. But them sun guns are completely different than the good old Kentucky flies that I grew up on. I'm currently in Florida, and man, them flies though. The Florida flies, those things are vicious. Alright, smash subscribe, ring the bell. Let me know if you guys have any recommendations for future videos. Until next time, peace out.